Audio CD 2, Track 21, Unit 3, Reporting Something Lost. Peter and his friend Jane are at the Lost and Found at an amusement park. I can't believe you lost your wallet. I told you to put it in your front pocket or put it in my purse.
It's too late now. I either lost it or someone picked my pocket. What am I going to do?
Hi, can I help you?
I'd like to report a lost wallet.
Yeah, we'd like to find out if anyone's turned in a wallet.
Let me see. Yes, we have a wallet here.
Yes, they found it. Oh, I hope no one stole my money.
First, I have to ask you to describe the wallet.
Okay, it's black.
Sorry, this one's brown. Oh, wait, there's a black one here too. What is your name?
All right, it's Peter Jones.
Let me look at the driver's license in this one. Nope, sorry, this isn't yours.
You should have listened to me.